Hi class, for this video I'll teach you how to use Microsoft Word in order to create a poster for next week's assignment. All you have to do is click on Microsoft Word, and if you're not creative, on the left side there are some templates you could use. You could click on poster, and there are already a couple of posters templates you could use. Simply click on them, and all you have to do is right click and change the picture and just change the text. However, if you are creative, you could start on a blank document and go up here where there's insert button, and then choose your clip art, movie, audio, text box that you want to use. So for now I'm going to use clip art, and there are a lot of clip arts you could use here. I'm just gonna, and all you have to do is just drag them over. So I'm going to drag this nurse over here, and you can actually adjust how big you want it to be. Next thing you might want to do is add some text. All you have to do is click on insert, and I recommend word art because it looks nice. So all you have to do is click that and type in what you want to type in. Smoking causes cancer. And now you're halfway through your poster, and that's about it.